Hello, my dear traders. Welcome back to our channel, The Forex Trends. And I hope you all are doing very well. And I am also good. So today in this video, I am going to analyze gold, that is XauUsd. And I'll find potential trade setups for today for intraday purpose. So let's start the session. Before start, let me show you the trade setups which nicely worked yesterday. I told you on my previous video, guys, and this was our trading level, that is 2332 to 2328. And I told you if we get the price at this zone, we may initiate sell for 100 to 150 pips. So look, guys, how nicely it worked. It gives first trade from here and give 100 pips, and then after I initiate another sell from this zone after getting evidence, and it gives another good trade from this zone. So we have already had two trades from this level. Okay, how nice work this level. So you have already had two trades from this level, and now there are no trading level here. Look, there is no any trading level as per your analysis. As per our analysis, this is our level and this was our level, and there is no level for trading. So why you trade without a level? We should wait for the price to come to our levels. Okay, and this is what discipline is all about. Okay, do not trade in between the any levels. You should wait for the price to come your level only, and this is the one of the procedure of discipline. Always maintain this kind of discipline. Always stay disciplined and focused. Okay. There is a multiple pairs in for trade. Why you should focus only on gold? Okay. There is a multiple pairs. And today there is a good trade setup in AUD USD. I also initiate a trade in AUD USD. Why should I focus on only gold? Look how nicely it's running. And okay, so you need to stay disciplined and focused, because discipline is your first friend in trading. So stick to your trading plan, manage your risk, and avoid emotional decisions. Stay focused on your long-term goals, guys. Okay. And discipline and consistency are the pillars of sustainable success. Mind this thing. Okay. So let's start the today's analysis, and we'll try to find the possible trade setups. Before check on chart, let's have a look in the economic calendar. In economic calendar today, we have news of new home sales. Okay, as we know, yesterday we had the consumer confidence, and that was high as expected. So consumers are still uh, bullish in economy of USA. They are confident to purchase, they are confident to buy new things. That means this is the sign of economic expansion. In that scenario, we may see another positive data for home sales also. If it come positive data again today, we may see another sale on gold today. Okay, and we had another news of CPI of Australia, and I trade on this news today, and look, the CPI data has came positive, and that means higher than the forecast. So that's all in fundamental. We'll trade according to the news schedule, and today's US new home sales news has scheduled on 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So we'll trade according to the news, and do not open any trade just before or just after the new release of news. After release of news, let the market to unfold, and after, if you get the price at your zone, you may initiate any trade. So let's start with the chart. Let me delete all the drawings. So we have a change of character here. After this change of character, market creates another internal structure. Market develop this internal structure like this: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then higher high. It means market has completed the 5 wave against the external structure. This is our external structure, and this is our internal structure. In internal structure, market has complete 5 wave loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Against this external structure, market has completed the 5 wave. That means market has turned bullish from bearish. Up, right after create this 5 wave, market did a change of character here. That means if this was the bullish, now it is bearish because of this change of character. Okay. So that's why we need to find sell trade from for today. Okay. So if I mark the change of character here, right here, look one more thing. What did market do yesterday? Market create, there is a concept of liquidity sweeping. Let me explain you the liquidity sweeping concept. Market create a relative equal highs, relative equal lows at this point, create a spike and create a support that is actually a fake support because there was a relative equal high lows. This relative equal lows is for trap for retail traders, because retail traders, whenever retail trader see this kind of support, they initiate buy and put their SL at below this support. Okay, so that's why this is a liquidity zone. After right after this creating this fake support, market come and swipe this liquidity look and go up. Okay, this is the way to swap liquidity from market. So this is sorry. This is our change of character here. That means we have 3 positions to join this sale trend, and now our bias is bearish, and we need to sell from any position of after creating change of character. This is our first level to join the sell trend, and this is called support become resistance level. Let me mark this zone first. This is support become resistance level. And how nicely it works. Look, after creating change of character, how nicely it works. After creating change of character, market create a change of character and test the support become resistance level and sell again. Okay. And we have the another level above this. This is Quasimodo level. If we get the price again, this zone, we may initiate a sell from there also. So our today's first trade is 2327 to 2328. If we get the price at 2327 to 29, we may initiate a sell from here. Okay. And as I told on my previous video, guys, gold is still bullish on higher frame, that is weekly frame, daily frame. Okay. So as I told in my previous video, in 4-hour frame, there was a good demand for initiate buy. Look, this is a good demand and I already discussed this zone in my previous video. If you have not seen, go to our playlist and watch this again. So market, whenever we get this price at this zone, we may initiate a buy. I told you guys. So when market approaches level today, I initiate a buy from here. Look on gold. There is a buy and still it is running. And my SL, I had moved my SL also. Okay. So this is the way to trade. And let me shift in 1 hour again. So our first trade setup for today is this zone. This is 2327 to 29. And our second trade setup that is already executed at this zone 2311, 2311 to 2307. So that's all for today. 1 and 2 trade in gold in a single day is more than enough. Do not try to overtrade on gold because it is really a high volatility pair. And try to focus on another pairs also. There was a good opportunities on another pairs. So that's all, guys. All right, wraps. So that wraps up today's analysis of gold. So if you really feel it is informative and helpful for your trading, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By subscribing, you will stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and strategies that's really help you to trade smarter and more profitably. So, my dear friend, thanks for watching and stay tuned to our channel for more videos like this. So, we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, trade smartly, trade safely. Bye bye.